Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to animate consistent characters in Luma AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any preferred browser and search for Luma AI. After that, open the official Luma AI website and make sure to sign into your account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the Luma AI homepage. Here, click on the Try Now button at the top right corner and all of your recent video generations will be displayed. Now, click on the image uploading icon and select your starting image. After that, click on the End Image button and select your second image. By the way, you can use AI image generation models like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to get consistent characters. Once you've uploaded the images, then just uncheck the Enhance Prompt feature and click on Generate. After that, wait for it to complete, as it all depends on your internet connection. Once the video is generated, you can hover your cursor over it and get a preview. This will give you an idea of how your consistent characters will look in the final animation. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.